Today, I'll share my favorite system, which I myself use in my practice, without complicated theory and overload, step by step and easy to understand. Hi, it's Simon. If you're just starting to wonder how to start trading in 2025, don't worry, you're not alone. Today, I'll share my favorite system, which I myself use in my practice. It helps you understand how the market works without complicated theory and overload. Now, my materials are published in professional publications, and many beginners and professional traders can apply this method to structure their trading ideas. This is not a magic formula, but a step-by-step plan that makes learning understandable and gives confidence at the start. Watch the video to the end. I'll show you how to put the system into practice and take your first steps today. If you're watching this video, you've probably developed an interest in trading and a desire to understand how things work in practice. Rather than loud promises, this is best told by members of my community. Here, for example, is what James, one of those who recently joined, wrote. I had never tried trading before, but thanks to the step-by-step format and clear explanations, I started to gradually get the hang of it. It gave me the confidence to understand how trading ideas are applied. I'm now opening up additional access to the trading community. Inside awaits you daily live broadcasts where I explain everything and show you in practice, access to proven strategies, joint market analysis, learning through observation and practice. If you want to try, follow the link in the attached comments. I'll show you what trading looks like from the inside without unnecessary theory. Let's get started right now. When you understand how the market works, you feel calm. Now I'll show you exactly how I make decisions so that you can see the logic of my actions step by step. For the demonstration, I use simple settings, chart for 30 seconds, time 1 minute. This helps you see how the market behaves in the moment. I use the super trend indicator as a helper. If the line is green, the market is probably growing. If the line is red, the market may start to decline. The price has declined slightly and approached a level where reversals have occurred before. This is like a recurring scenario. Buyers often become active in these areas. As the market started to slow down in this area, I saw the green line reappear. This is a sign that demand is returning. I clicked up. The expectation was simple. Price would likely push off this level and go higher. A good start, the logic works. The market has gone even lower and has reached an area where it has often risen in the past. This area is called a support level, where market participants usually start buying. In parallel, the indicator changed color from red to green. This is a confirmation that the situation may change. I opened the direction up, expecting that the price will push back and the growth will start. A clear signal, we act calmly. After the previous bounce, the price approached the familiar level again, but now it didn't fail but slowed down and started to rise. This often means that buyers are becoming more active. The green line continued to hold. For me, it's a sign that the growth may continue. I pressed buy again, expecting the upward movement to be confirmed. Everything's going according to the scheme, analysis, and confirmation. The chart started to stagnate. The price was fluctuating around 1 mark. This usually indicates that sellers and buyers are still undecided. When the price approached the lower boundary of this range again, the indicator showed green color. I could see that the participants were ready to raise the price. The decision is to open on the upside, waiting for an upside exit from this zone of silence. What do you think? If you're watching this video, it means you are taking the first steps towards new knowledge. That's great. And further on, it's important to follow a clear path. I've gathered a community where a beginner can calmly and gradually learn the basics of trading without rushing and complicated theory. It's like starting to read a new book. First, you get used to the style, understand the main ideas, and then you get sucked in. This is exactly how we structure our training. In accessible language with live examples, I hold broadcasts, explain the market and my actions so that everyone can understand the logic and ask questions. The main thing is that you're not alone. You don't need to be 100% ready. We'll learn together. All that's required is to observe, practice, and over time put the ideas into practice. If this resonates with you, the link is in the pinned comment. You can join at any time. Let's get started, and it will get easier from there. A sharp change of movement appeared on the chart. The price went down. The indicator confirmed. Perhaps the sellers became more active. I went down. We watch the situation and work on the signal. After the decline, the price came back to a familiar level where the market often turns around. The indicator again showed that there is a change for growth. I bought. We move step by step, nothing too much. The trend has changed. The indicator suggested that the price might go down. I opened it down. The key is to proceed calmly and according to plan. The price began to move within a narrow range. It reached the upper boundary. The indicator signaled a decline. I went down. Keeping the pace, everything's going as it should. During another correction, the price came back to an important level. The indicator confirmed a possible decline. I entered the market on the downside. It's almost the finale. Let's see how this one ends. Price has returned to the lower level where there was a bounce before. The indicator showed again that could be a rise. I bought, expecting a repeat of the scenario. This is how strategy works. Observation, simple signals, and consistent steps. It's not a guessing game, it's a process. Remember, it's important to stay calm and always consider the risks. You've already taken the first step by finishing this video. This means that you're interested in developing. Now it's time to decide whether to keep waiting for everything to change by itself or to try another way, calm, clear, and step by step. There are no complicated terms in my community, only real sessions where you can see how I make decisions and explain each step. Participants ask questions, get feedback, and learn together. This is an opportunity for those who want to learn without rushing and in a way that's easy to understand. Follow the link in the pinned comment and get involved. It's always easier together. I'm waiting for you in the community.